Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Jamaica now have one device we can test for the different strain of the coronavirus. It named the Genome Sequencer. The Department of Correctional Services, DCS, said the number of cases of coronavirus are go up in the Spanish Town lockup from a couple weeks back. Some report come out that top music producer Shab Don, who for real name Linval Thompson Jr, get locked up. England beat the West Indies bad in a them first match for the ICC T20 World Cup Saturday gone we are keeping at Dubai. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan to hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. Jamaica now have one device we can test for the different strain of the coronavirus. It named the Genome Sequencer. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said the Genome Sequencer they are the University Hospital for the West Indies. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, the device well important in the fight against coronavirus because as one new strain come out in any country, it can pick it up right away. The Department of Correctional Services, DCS, said the number of cases of coronavirus are go up in the Spanish Town lockup from a couple weeks back. According to the DCS, right now, them have 74 positive cases in a lockup and one of them in a hospital. Two somebody who work at the lockup test positive too and them yard now. On top of that, 3 somebody test positive at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center, 2 at the South Camp Juvenile Center, and 1 at the Hilltop Juvenile Facility. Yesterday, the DCS put out one statement, so them doctor them a work hard in the prison them for help against the fight against the virus. From coronavirus coming to the country, 7 somebody who in a lockup dead from it and 4 water dead too. Some report come out that top music producer Shab Don, who for real name Linval Thompson Jr, get locked up. Him a one of the somebody who run Shab Don record. According to the JCF Corporate Communication Unit, CCU, them lock up Shab Don cause them think him may have gun when him not have no license for and bullet when him not have no license for. Some police from the Special Operation Unit lock him up. One St. James family a ball right now after one 12-year-old boy John. The little boy a Russian Bolt. According to the police report, around 7 p.m. last night, Bolt dropped in a one pool at Bratton Road in the parish. People pull him out of the pool and rushed him to hospital where doctor say him dead. One teenager dead after him getting in one car accident on Melrose Hill Bypass Road in a Williamsfield, Manchester on Saturday, October 23rd. The dead Smaddy and 19-year-old Kimani Clark. According to the report from the Mandeville police, around 9:15 p.m., Clark did a drive him car. When him try make one right turn, the car get to from him and turn over. People rushed him to hospital where doctor say him dead. The police said them are looking at what gone. Now for sports. England beat the West Indies bad in a them first match for the ICC T20 World Cup Saturday gone we are keeping at Dubai. West Indies, who are the defending champions, met them second lowest T20 score in a history after them get bowled out for 55 runs in a 14.2 overs. England make 56 runs and them lose 4 wickets in a 8.2 overs. West Indies are going to play South Africa Tuesday. People, remember the curfew from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 a.m. in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.